cordless paint sprayer from Javin. I have a corded one. The cord gets to be a pain in the butt. Let's see how this goes. This will determine the width or pattern of your spray right here on the side. And the more you squeeze the trigger, the more material you get. Let's turn that this way. That's not bad. Let's see what that does. Let's change that, open that up a bit more. That tightens the pattern. And that widens the pattern. Very handy. This is running off a 20-volt Javin battery. This is a 6 amp hour. I'd probably be able to paint an entire cabinet set with this. Wow, there must be some oil up on there. This is kind of nice. I'm wearing a smartwatch and some clothes I really don't want to get paint on. And I don't have to worry about it. There's very little overspray, and what overspray you do have is going to dry very quickly. As well as the paint you're applying, it's going to dry much faster than it would if you were using a conventional like hydraulic sprayer. I was a painter for about 6 years. We used to go to pro shows, kind of get the down low, the 411 on the latest and greatest technology. These were about $600 for something similar to this back in the day. It looked a lot like a drill. This here, it's got absolutely massive batteries. It's very affordable, user friendly. You don't get much more simple than this. You're going to want to strain your material before you put it in there. Don't put anything too thick in it, or too thin, I reckon. But you can spray a variety of product with this. This is very handy. For fences, you're not going to have you don't have to worry about your neighbor's car or nothing like that. You can spray your fence, paint your fence whatever color you want. You don't have to worry about it getting kicked up in the air and sticking to your neighbor's house or car, or your house or car. This is very handy. Anybody could use this. I could hand this to a child and let them go, and I'm not going to have too many worries about it, especially overspray. These are very handy. Absolutely grab one of these, especially if you've already bought some Javin tools. I've got plenty videos on Javin tools. Javin tools are very affordable and very tough. I've got one that I even set on fire. Doing just fine. Snatch this up. If you're a professional homeowner, if you're restoring a house, or even reselling furniture. I see a lot of folks buying old dressers and painting them up. This is going to save some time. I would compare the finish to a fine cigar roller finish. The other side of the door I've painted, and it's dry. This side, I wanted to give you guys a video on this. It dries very smooth. It goes on kind of like kind of spotty. It's just blowing it on there, right? But after a few layers, after you spray it a few times, all that comes together to make a nice, smooth finish. Appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions about this product or products similar to this, feel free to reach out to me, either in the video or in direct message. I'll do my best to answer you and help you better decide on or guide you on your purchasing journey, or help you work through any troubleshooting you have after purchasing any of the products. Appreciate you guys. Couldn't do it without you.